Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm removing the stray cat's stitches. I have removed 2 already. Look, yay! So there are 2 here. So there is a last one. Let's see if she lets me. She doesn't want to let me remove it, but okay, just one. Okay, it's just one more. Okay, one more. It's sterilized, okay? The little one wants to feed again. I don't have a lot of dexterity. I try my best, you know. I was afraid that I'm hurting someone. She is relaxed right now, thank God. Oopsie, it's really hard to see. This one is really small. Don't you see you're disturbing my work? Don't you see? There's no milk. I don't know why she does that, because there's no milk. It's just a habit, right? There's no more milk, honey. There's no more milk. Yes, finally. Woof! Last one. Yay! 3 stitches removed successfully. Right, baby? Look. Everything fine now. Oh, finally. Can I see? Oh, finally! Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. And make sure to subscribe to watch more videos, because there will be lots of videos, especially from that little one. Another stray kitten that I found on the streets. My neighbor found it and brought it to my house because she knows I do that social work with stray animals. So yeah, it's a struggle, but it's also very, very, very much worth it, because it's such a joy, you know, helping animals. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.